Okay, so I got these emergency packets. They're just the little 0.32 ounce orange flavored for it's vitamin C, and so it's really good for just a daily immune support. 1 packet daily. Put contents in a glass, 4 to 6 ounces of water, stir. I think it's supposed to get all fizzy, yeah, flavored fizzy drink mix with natural flavors and caffeine free. And you can see there's all the things. 6 grams of added sugars, vitamin C, thiamine, niacin, vitamin B9, folate, and all those things there. You can see it's got fructose, maltodextrin, as far as your sweeteners and stuff, some orange oil, which is probably what's going to make it taste good, is the super orange. So there's a little spot at the top here where it makes it super easy to tear. I started it because I only have one hand here, so because the other hand's holding the camera. So I'm going to put it into my little domed water bottle here. I really like these domed water bottles because they're super easy to clean, because the top just comes off like that. Of course that part comes off too when you want to drink out of it, but like, look at that. Haha, I like that. And we're just going to pour this in there. And then we're going to put the lid back on and shake it all up here. That's pretty good one-handed, huh? I'll have to use 2 hands to tighten it so it doesn't go spraying all over the room. But yeah, you can see it's kind of fizzing in there a little bit and stuff too. Okay, so I shook it up a little bit, and you can see there's some fizzies in there, and it's got electrolytes and B vitamins and antioxidants and all kinds of good stuff in there. And we're going to taste it and see how we like it. Yeah, it's got a mild orange flavor. It's not super salty. You would think with the electrolytes it might be a little bit more salty, but it's not. It's a little bit fizzy and very easy to take as far as just drinking it down when you need some boost in your, if you're going to be out and about among people or traveling or anything like that. Really good idea to just kind of keep yourself boosted up there. So yeah, I don't mind that taste at all. It's kind of a neutral-ish. It's leaning towards neutral. It's not a strong orange flavor. It's not a strong salty flavor. It's not a strong sweet flavor. It's just kind of a little bit neutral. Yeah, I would think it would be a little bit sweeter myself, or a little bit orangier, but either way, it's fine. I don't mind it at all. So yeah, good stuff.